Tired of complicated international money transfers? Let's dive into how effortlessly you can send money globally using TapTap, a platform designed to make international transfers a breeze. First, download and install the TapTap app on your smartphone. This is your gateway to easy transactions. Open the app, and if you are a new user, you'll need to create an account. It's simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts and secure it with a strong password. Returning users just need to log in with their credentials. Once logged in, find and tap the Send button, usually prominently displayed on the home screen. This activates the money transfer process. Now, choose the country you want to send money to. TapTap supports numerous countries, making global payments incredibly accessible. After selecting the country, you'll need to specify how the money will be received. Then select your preferred payment method. For the recipient, options typically include bank transfers, mobile wallets, or cash pickup, providing flexibility. This could mean entering the recipient's bank account details, mobile wallet information. Next, enter the amount you wish to send and select your funding source, such as a bank account or credit card. Review the total amount and any applicable fees. Before sending, double-check all the details: the recipient's information, the payment method, and the amount. Ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm your transfer. You'll then receive a confirmation, often with a tracking ID, allowing you to easily monitor the transfer's progress. That's it, you've successfully sent money through TapTap. Sending money globally has never been easier.